This is not a test. Please stay calm. I repeat, this is not a test, please. Stay calm. There has been a report of monsters roaming the country. We have been notified that they are tall. That is the only thing we have noticed about the monsters. We don't have much information currently, but we will update.
Wow, what could be roaming? How is this possible? Why is this?
I don't know.
Well, we are on lockdown, children. Please stay safe from the monsters.
We have found out that these monsters are killing people who make noise, and goes where there are noises they can hear up to 5 miles away.